All right, mic check, sync up with the Ableton Live. Check, check. Did you know you can do shadow work through songwriting? This is what I like to call a shadow song, where we tap into our unconscious through stream of thought writing. Shadow work is the practice of facing the parts of ourselves that we don't like and that we hide from. The hard part about this is that we don't like facing things about us that we don't like. We don't like confronting our fears, taking accountability for the ways that we hurt others without even trying. So by doing shadow work, we can tap into our unconscious and find other reasons for why we do the things that we do. Why do we hurt ourselves, limit ourselves? Why are we afraid to be seen? Why am I triggered by dogs or bald people? Why am I triggered by my mom? When you write a shadow song, it creates a tool of remembrance, so that maybe when you're out in your daily life and you get triggered, you can think about what is going on internally rather than reacting in the way that you usually would. Stop, breathe, make a different choice, have a different outcome, maybe change our lives for the better, and we can stop feeding the beast. So these are 4 steps to writing a shadow song. First, you want to grab a blank piece of paper and a pen and sit quietly. You can meditate for 3 to 4 minutes, or you can just sit by yourself. Ask yourself quietly, but say it out loud. What don't I like about myself? What am I not seeing? Then you want to start writing nonstop, and this is just stream of thought, whatever comes, whatever flows. You don't need to be critical. You don't need to judge. You're not trying to write a gem. You're not trying to write a good song. You're not trying to do anything except tap into your subconscious and just get words and ideas and characters onto the page. Step 3, once you've filled the page, you're going to want to look at it, reread it, and then start organizing it into different sections. Maybe you have some rhymes, maybe some characters, maybe ideas, archetypes, landscapes, people, places, things, colors, shapes, sounds. Whatever it is, you're going to organize it and just kind of let it float. Just allow for emergence. Again, we're not writing a good song. We're not writing a bad song. We're not trying to do anything except discover ideas and thoughts. And then you can organize it into verses, choruses, bridges. Maybe you have moods for instrumental sections. Maybe you have archetypes for structure of a song. Maybe it's not a song at all. Maybe you just like writing poetry. Maybe you can take these ideas and make a painting. Whatever you want stimulates your creativity and allows you to begin to learn how to channel the unconscious. I want to be clear, we're not romanticizing our suffering. We're not romanticizing the shadow. We are trying to integrate the parts of ourselves that we don't like, ways that we limit ourselves, maybe ways that we are hurting others unconsciously. But we are not trying to get to an end point. We are trying to discover in ourselves. We can do the work later to practice our confidence, practice communication, practice vulnerability, but this right now is purely channeling. As human beings, we can never rid ourselves of the darkness and only learn to be in control of it. Carl Jung said, until we make the unconscious conscious, it will direct our lives and we will call it fate.